So why people seek hypnosis? If you start practicing as a hypnosis practitioner, if you start like helping people, why would anyone come to you? Why do people come for hypnosis? There are a number of reasons, number of different things. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी डिटेल में नहीं जा सकता. ये भी as I said, ये जितनी चीजें by the way मैं और रमजान आपके साथ यहाँ पे शेयर कर रहा हूँ. मेरी जो hypnosis practitioner training है, ये उसी की ये slides भी उधर से ही हमने लिए. So this is like an abridged version of that. This is just to give you an idea. You know, in future, if you decide, oh, this is something I want to do, I want to learn and go really deeper into this. So जो hypnosis practitioner training, that's like 12 sessions. This is just 3 sessions. So there's a lot of information. So, but why people seek hypnosis generally? Okay, because they want to change how they feel. That's the basic thing. Okay, so they have a feeling about something and they're not happy with that. Okay, so they are not happy with how they feel about money. They are not happy about their relationships. They are not comfortable with the feeling of, you know, regarding their health. So they have a feeling and they want to change it. And a mistake and what happens with a lot of people is, in fact, all of us is that we tend to misunderstand the real source of our feeling. So people misunderstand the true source of their feelings are their thoughts. ये जो स्क्रीन पे आपको ये स्क्रीन पे इमेज नजर आ रहा है, okay? मैं इसको बहुत डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा, but this is basically how it works. मैंने ये चीज थोड़ी देर पहले अभी आपसे कही भी थी कि हमारे साथ इवेंट्स होते हैं, जिंदगी में हालात होते हैं, वाकयात होते हैं, एंड देन उसके हमारे पास इंटरप्रिटेशंस होती हैं. ये जो इंटरप्रिटेशंस हैं ये हमारी थॉट्स हैं. एंड देन पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव इंटरप्रिटेशन की बेसिस पे हमारे अंदर जो फीलिंग्स आती हैं, दोज फीलिंग्स कुड बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. एंड देन बेस्ड ऑन दोज फीलिंग्स एंड दोज इमोशंस वी मे हैव एक्शंस, desirable, undesirable, positive or negative actions or behaviors. Actions are the behaviors that we are doing. Okay, और उनके नतीजे में, उन एक्शंस के नतीजे में हमारी जिंदगी में मजीद नताइज आते हैं, और ये साइकिल जो है हमारी जिंदगी में चलता रहता है. So people, when they have an event, an experience in their life, event could be something that happened in their personal life, something that happened in their professional life. They had some relationship issues with people, you know, they had something happening in their life, and now, you know, जो misunderstanding होती है लोगों के साथ वो ये होती है, we tend to think कि मेरे अंदर जो feelings हैं इसकी वजह मेरे बाहर कोई चीज हो रही है, मेरे साथ फलाने साहब जो है ना वो इस तरह से बात करते हैं, इस वजह से मुझे डर लगता है, फलानी मुझे मेरे साथ नुकसान हुआ था, इस वजह से मेरे अंदर डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, मेरे साथ मेरे पास्ट में किसी ने यूं किया था, इस वजह से मुझे आज ये इश्यू हो रहा है. सो पीपल हैव दिस मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग कि उनकी जो इंटरनल फीलिंग्स है इसकी वजह कोई पास्ट की, कोई बाहर होने वाली चीज है. ओके, सम इवेंट इज कॉजिंग मी टू फील व्हाटएवर आई एम फीलिंग. दैट्स द मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट पीपल हैव. That's the misunderstanding that people live with. Living with this, they have this, they think, oh, mere saath ye cheez hui, so I'm feeling this. So a lot of times people are living with that misunderstanding. That's why they seek hypnosis. That's why they seek coaching. Okay, coaching mein bhi jo log aate hain, this is the reason. Coaching mein there are other reasons as well, but this is one of the reasons. So they are not happy with the results they're getting in their life, in their personal life, in their professional life, in their relationships, in their careers, in their finances, with their health. They're not happy with whatever results they're getting. They want to change that. There's a certain feeling about themselves, about other people in their life, and they want to change it. That's the reason. So when you start practicing hypnosis, you will come across people who will be coming to you and telling you that they have these bad feelings that they want to change. Or that's this bad feeling could be anger or sadness or fear or anything.